Are you looking for a home in the Twin Cities Metro, but still want the privacy and the feel of being in the woods? Well, I've got the perfect home for you. Hi, I'm Darin Bjerknes with eXp Realty, and welcome to 2684 Borden Way in Inver Grove Heights. And yes, it's snowing out. Pretty crazy. As you walk toward the house, you'll notice the attractive curb appeal and the fact that this home has been very well cared for. You'll also notice that the home overlooks a beautiful wooded area and pond. Some very recent updates to the exterior include new shingles, updated, refreshed Cedarwood siding, new chimney chase, and maintenance-free Trex decking on the large deck. Upon walking through the front door, you have a spacious foyer that leads to the large kitchen to the right. You'll also see you have tons of counter and cabinet space, as well as plenty of natural light. The opening toward the living room and dining room give you an open layout feel, and the two bar style seating options are perfect when entertaining. Moving into the living room, you're greeted by beautiful views of the wooded backyard, floor to ceiling brick wood fireplace, vaulted ceiling, two new skylights, large dining area, and the door to the showstopper of a deck. I can just imagine all the sounds of nature that I'd be hearing while grilling, having a cup of coffee, or enjoying one of my favorite beverages. Also, if we were receiving a lot of snow like we are today, I would make a sledding luge that zigzags through the trees and ends at the bottom of the pond. And I'm pretty sure my kids would love it too. Just make sure that it's safe and wear a helmet. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Down the hallway, you'll pass by the laundry room that leads to the garage, and then past the powder room. At the end of the hallway, you'll enter the spacious master bedroom that has amazing views of the wooded backyard and its own ensuite bathroom with double sinks, shower and tub combo, and walk-in closet. All right, you've seen the main level, it's time to head upstairs. At the top of the landing, you'll see the office loft area that has amazing natural light that's perfect for your home office Zoom calls. Everyone needs a good Zoom room. To finish off the second level is another full bathroom in the second bedroom. What you'll notice with this house is the bedroom sizes are fantastic. There is plenty of room in each bedroom to have a school desk area or more office space if you need it. Now time to see the lower level, so follow me. As you enter the basement, you'll head left and you'll find a 3/4 bathroom, utility room with plenty of room for storage, and the third bedroom that is again large. The bedroom also has beautiful wooded views. Moving down the hallway, you'll see the workout room and bar area if you're feeling thirsty. Next is the game room where you can host poker nights or epic sessions of Monopoly. Lastly is the walkout family room that is perfect for movie nights or just viewing nature. Now I've got a feeling this home won't last long, so if you'd like a private tour, please call, text, or email, and I'd be happy to get you inside. Also, if you'd like your home featured like this one, please reach out and I'd be happy to chat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.